How to fix comment count showing instead of views on YouTube. Let's get started. Noticing your YouTube video showing the comment count instead of views. It's a rare but frustrating glitch. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix the issue of comment counts displaying where your views count should be on the YouTube. Launch your YouTube. At the top right, you'll find the profile picture. Click on it. Navigate to the option of YouTube Studio. Once you're in the channel dashboard, at the left corner, you're going to find a different option. Navigate to the option of Analytics. With that, you might be able to find the views in your YouTube videos. Likewise, heading towards next solution, clear cache and cookies for the browser. For that, click on three dots given at the top right corner. Now navigate to the option of delete browsing data. Click on this drop down for the time range, select all time, then checking for all these options, then click on delete data. After you clear these, your problem might be fixed. Heading towards next solution, launch your preferred browser and head towards this one website. From here, you can check whether there are any issues in the YouTube. User reports indicate no issues. After you check this, you can head towards another solution. Head towards this one website, YouTube Help Center. Now I can explain about the issue over here and send it. You can also include screenshots if possible, as this will help you to support team diagnose and fix the issue more quickly. Likewise, you can switch to a different browser or device. Sometimes the issue might be specific to the browser or device you are using. Try accessing YouTube from a different browser or a different device, like switching from your phone to a desktop computer or vice versa. If you're experiencing this issue on the YouTube app, it might be due to a bug in the current version. Ensure your app is up to date by visiting the App Store or the Google Play Store. If updating doesn't fix the issue, try uninstalling and then reinstall the app. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix comment count showing instead of views on YouTube. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.